Hi guys, Nicola here. Okay, so today we're testing something I saw on TV. Of course, I know at this point somebody just needs to take my screens, but until then, all right, so this is just really bringing out the little girl in me, okay? So you gotta bear with me. So this is called Cardiar, and what it is, it's makeup particles. It's like golden speckles, freckles, call it what you want. It's just golden decorations you can put on your face. So we're gonna try it out, all right? So this is the package I got. I got this one off Amazon. I'll put the link below so you can check it out as well. And let's open this. So I chose this one. This one comes with a few decorative stencils. So as you can see, this one is the freckles. This one I guess would kind of go across the nose and the cheeks or the face or something like that. I don't know. So I'm not bold enough to try this. Now I'm not that bold. I'm not that brave. But they have these small little ones, and we're gonna try these. All right. So this is what the packaging actually looks like. It's so cute. All right. So all right, let's do this. So we're just going to take this one off, and the directions is to take off the plastic. So it does have a plastic shield, and we're supposed to, like, I guess, place this on your skin and then damp it. So I think I want to put it like right here. This kind of reminds me of the decorations. If any of you guys play VR, Meta Universe, like you can put like these little decorative items on your face, on your avatar. All right, so let's do this. This is like the old school stickers, I guess. You know, those old school stickers that used to come in the gum. Some of y'all might be too young to know about that, but those of you that are old like me, you know, we used to get the gum and we used to have to put the little wet tattoos that came out the gum. You put them on your skin and you kind of damp them. This is kind of like the same exact thing. All right, it didn't say to keep it too long, just for like a few seconds, but I just want to make sure because I'm all paranoid, right? So this is actually supposed to stay on you, I guess, for a couple of days, because it's supposed to be like waterproof or something. Oh, darling, that's beautiful. Yes. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I like that. Very pretty, very lovely. Go check it out, girls. Very, very pretty. Oh, wow. This is fun. This is funky. This is fun. And yeah, you can put all your little girls too. Bring out the little girl in them. Bring out the little girl in you. All right, guys. I love you much. As always, it's Nicola. Thanks for joining me. I love you. Mwah. Until next time, think about subscribing if you are not subscribed. Later.